It is the one thing we in South Florida have in abundance, though you might not know it over the last few weeks. Sunshine, of course, so using it to our advantage could mean real savings, right? Well, that's the premise behind a new series of hefty rebates for going solar. News Channel 5's James Whelan live with a close-up look at the pros and cons. James, the question is it worth it?
Well, Michael, you know, as we all know, we call it the Sunshine State, and normally there's a lot of sunshine here in South Florida, and then those sun's rays contain a lot of energy. Now, once again, FP&L is helping homeowners harness that energy with solar panels, like these here on the Garcia's roof in Royal Palm Beach.
It's a good incentive that people think, okay, let me negotiate the deal, and then, by the way, I have this rebate, and then on the long term, you see, okay, it makes sense, and this is how many years it's going to take to pay this investment off.
And with the FP&L rebate, it's really not that long.
The average home with 4 folks living in it, they're going to cut their utility costs by $200 a month. So this system is going to pay for itself in 3 to 5 years.
A typical solar energy system for your single-family house may cost you around $25 grand. Now, the FP&L rebate will knock off $10,000 from that. Plus, you have the federal government offering you a $7,500 tax rebate. That leaves you footing a bill that's just a fraction of the cost.
And with financing, you could be spending less per month paying off the equipment than you pay on your power bill, which is why the program is so popular.
Within 15 minutes, there are enough folks desiring to use solar photovoltaic on their home that they use up the entire amount that FP&L funds the program with.
The Garcias were one of the lucky ones to get the rebate before they ran out and are thrilled at the upcoming savings.
Accumulates to thousands of dollars at the end of the day.
Now, if you're interested in the FP&L solar rebate, the first thing you have to do is contact a qualified solar contractor. For a list of those in our local area, go to WPTV.com and click on the Scene on 5 tab. Reporting from Royal Palm Beach, James Whelan, WPTV News Channel 5.